Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to the Luna Classic update today, and we are bound to get back into business one more time with Luna Classic, and I think that we're probably going to start to kick off and move up to the next technical target, which is pending here. So 8781 is a price where I think that pretty much Luna Classic at the moment as we speak is ready to go above and beyond. Now there's a little bit of resistance that is probably going to be a little bit significant right now. So you have one resistance and a move down, resistance, move down, resistance, move down, and that's another touch right over here. Now normally what I've seen past in the history is that whenever you have four touches, right, whenever you have four touches on the trend line, that pretty much marks the end of it. Okay, it doesn't really go down to 5. I could be actually wrong, but the maximum is 5. But normally, and at most cases, at the fourth touch, the touch number 4 is actually the main real break, right? So the real deal. This is what I've actually noticed on so many channels whenever you create a channel that is going to the downside, right? Secondly is, of course, psychologically you're very, very down as well, so it makes sense to go back up a little bit, give relief, because let's think about it. Some few time ago people bought Luna Classic when it was at 25,000. Now it's trading at 7,191. So it's still at a huge drop right now. Imagine those who bought at 25,000 are actually down 73%. 73%. So that really means if you're investing with $100, you just lost $73 and you have $27 in your pockets right now. So maybe we're striking to get back to $50 department, and if you hold it long enough, you can actually make the whole recovery back up. That's how I'm actually betting on things to happen. The next thing is, of course, Bitcoin. Now I've looked at Bitcoin is showing some very good signs, okay? And if I show you 1 hour time frame here, you can actually notice that you have your little bit of resistance here, double bottom right there. You've broken above the double bottom. Your retest seems to me as a successful retest. So Bitcoin is kind of looking forward and is going to be pushing up from there to there, and we're looking for a next technical target of $63,500. So yes, if Bitcoin is looking to save the day, it will save Luna Classic eventually, because if Bitcoin is good, Luna Classic is going to be good. And of course Luna Classic as well looks like it has an ascending triangle here, okay, so which is a bullish reversal chart pattern, right? So this ascending triangle in itself, I'm actually going to remove all the drawings so that I can just focus on this one pattern, and I'm going to take the trend line just like that, and I'm also going to drop in another trend line just like that. So ascending triangle is the most easiest pattern that you can ever see. Now the maximum time of the break is until 12th of July. So 12th of July you're going to see a break. And my personal take is that yes, you go to the upside. Now there could be one way of breaking down, make a fake out, and then go up. You could actually even just break down and go down. The worst case scenario is actually you just break down and then disappoint, right? Let's hope that doesn't happen. And of course, because you are meeting the criteria of everything to go back up. Number one, ascending triangle are very effective when you see a downtrend and when it's completely oversold. And when Bitcoin is also looking good, the best bet is that you're going to see Luna Classic going to the upside. Let's say if you're someone who just needs a trade, you have yourself one, okay? So from the top here to the bottom, again, you do have some technical targets up to 8918 or 9000 nearly, and that's going to be an amazing increase from there to there of 23%. Now, I think you're going to even be moving above this, but time will tell. And that's all for the video on Luna Classic. Hope you enjoyed the update, and I'm going to see you in the next one in the office.